In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to change your name on Facebook, this is actually a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Facebook. Once you have opened up Facebook, you'll be on this page here, which is obviously your home page. And from here, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner to the three lines and choose them. Once you have clicked on the three lines, you are going to want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, click on the drop down menu and then select the settings tab. And then as you can see under account settings here, there is an option for personal information. If you click on personal information, what that will do is it will bring you to here. And as you can see, there's an option there for your name. So if you click on the name, which will bring you to this page here, and if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So that's just a little disclaimer from Facebook. So if you do change your name, you will not be able to change it back within 60-day period. So if you're happy with this, what you can do is simply go to your first name, surname, middle name, whichever you want to change, and simply go ahead and change it. So as you can see, I have now changed my surname, and if I want to change this, all I need to do is simply click on review change. Once you click on review change, all you need to do now is enter in your password. And once you have entered in your password to confirm that it is your account, all you simply need to do now is click on save changes. So as you can see now, my name on Facebook has now been changed. So that's how you can go ahead and change your name on Facebook.